Quant Army Overledger is one of the best technologies we've seen in the crypto space, and it will be utilized and bigger than most people think from all types of different sectors in society as we know it, from not just banks, right, but also in the healthcare sector as well, right? We have a video from constructiontrader.eth. This is some massive stuff, Quant Army, so we're gonna dive in. If you hold Quant or you're new to Quant, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, and be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. Blockchain interoperability is massive, and its role in the healthcare sector will be no exception. Quant Overledger will be at the heart of connecting everything seamlessly. Interoperability is the future, and this is why so many people are bullish on Quant. Let's take a look.
Have you ever wondered how blockchain could revolutionize healthcare? Imagine a world where patients' medical records are secure, easily accessible, and interoperable across different healthcare systems, all thanks to blockchain technology. Blockchain, a type of distributed ledger technology, has been making waves in various industries, and healthcare is no exception. The healthcare industry today faces significant challenges: ensuring data security, maintaining patient privacy, and achieving system interoperability, to name a few. Blockchain, with its ability to...
I'm telling you guys, what we're seeing right now, we're at the... it's so amazing that we're so early, guys. You gotta realize how early we are. People aren't, like, the average person is not doing the research into crypto projects like we are, into blockchain, into, you know, distributed ledgers, into interoperability, into the overledger, right? The average person is not looking into these things, and more likely what we're gonna see is a lot of these things that, you know, a lot of what society needs to function will be incorporated into blockchain tech, into crypto tech, right? And projects like Quant with its overledger will be like at the base layer, at the foundation of all of these, you know, previous, you could call them analog systems, right? Health, you name it, right? These previous analog systems will switch over to digital with projects like Quant.
Privacy, and achieving system interoperability, to name a few. Blockchain, with its ability to securely store and share patient data, could be the solution we've been waiting for. It promises a future where patient data flows seamlessly between healthcare providers, improving care coordination and patient outcomes. Additionally, the transparency and immutability of blockchain records could enhance trust and accountability, addressing concerns about data breaches and patient privacy. Indeed, the healthcare landscape is ripe for a blockchain revolution. As we delve deeper into this exciting new frontier, let's explore how this technology is already changing the face of healthcare. You might be curious about how blockchain is actually being used in healthcare today. Let's delve into some real-world case studies. Firstly, let's jet off to Estonia, a small Baltic nation leading the pack in digital innovation. In Estonia, blockchain technology is used nationwide in healthcare data management. This has resulted in enhanced data security, making breaches virtually impossible.
And we saw with the Overledger authorized video how you know, the Quant network, the Quant team is super focused on security for, you know, in the industries, institutions, etc.
Moreover, it has improved interoperability, which means different healthcare providers can access patient data seamlessly.
Improve interoperability, you know, accessing customers' records, data seamlessly. What did we see in the Overledger authorized video that we checked out in the previous video, right? Or if you are holding Quant, you saw the official announcement from the Quant network. Interoperability seamlessly, right? I'm telling you, Quant Army, man, y'all convinced me, man. And then the more I'm digging in, going down the rabbit hole, right? The deeper I go up, the more I'm impressed, the more I'm taken aback, and by how ahead of the its time Quant is.
Can access patient data seamlessly, fostering better collaboration and improved patient outcomes. Now, let's fly back across the Atlantic to the United States, where a solution called MedRec is making waves. MedRec uses blockchain to manage medical records, giving patients control over their own health data. It's a decentralized approach that allows patients to decide who can access their medical information. This not only ensures privacy, but also empowers patients to be active participants in their own healthcare journey.
Remember, crypto is really founded on decentralization and privacy as well, right? And again, that's what we see with blockchain technology. That's what we see with projects like Quant, HBAR, XRP, XLM. That's really what their focus is, and it's being achieved one step at a time. It's only now the transition is gonna take time, obviously, but it's only a matter of time until it does.
And let's not forget the myriad of startups around the globe, from Asia to Africa, that are harnessing blockchain to tackle issues like counterfeit drugs and insurance fraud. These initiatives demonstrate the transformative potential of blockchain in ensuring the authenticity of medications and bringing transparency to insurance claims. These examples show how blockchain is not just a theoretical concept, it's a practical solution that's reshaping healthcare right now. The blockchain revolution in healthcare is just beginning. So, what does the future hold? Picture a world where blockchain technology is fully integrated into healthcare systems, forming the backbone of a new patient-centric model of care.
It's gonna happen sooner than we think, Quant Army. It's gonna happen sooner than we think. Where Quant, through the BIS, the Bank of England, is just riddled across all of these institutional companies, these banks, etc. Healthcare, any industry you could think of that needs blockchain technology, that needs interoperability done, some type of seamless integration done, so they could manage their records, manage the analog things that they have, make it digital, make it more convenient, make it easier to use. It really is just a matter of time till all of this is second nature, right?
Care systems, forming the backbone of a new patient-centric model of care. It's a world where data silos are a thing of the past, replaced by secure, transparent, and universally accessible health records. Blockchain could streamline clinical trials by ensuring data integrity and traceability. It would eliminate falsified data and provide a clear, unchangeable record of patient responses and side effects. This would not only increase the speed of drug discovery, but also enhance the safety and efficacy of new treatments. Imagine the potential of blockchain in telemedicine. With the rise of remote consultations, there's an ever-growing need for secure patient data transmission. Blockchain could offer a solution enabling secure real-time sharing of patient data.
The overledger is going to be so important because it's a step above what we see with typical blockchains, right? The ledger of ledgers, man.
While maintaining patient privacy. And what about personalized medicine? The integration of blockchain could enable the secure storage and sharing of genomic data, paving the way for treatments tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. Moreover, blockchain could empower patients by giving them control over their health data. Patients could decide who to share their data with, ensuring their privacy and autonomy. As we look to the future, it's clear that blockchain holds immense potential to transform healthcare as we know it. It's an exciting time to be in the intersection of healthcare and technology.
Amazing video, man. And like Construction Trader stated, Quant Overledger will be at the heart, connecting everything seamlessly. Man, from Kyron, we often forget to zoom out and look how far the industry has come over the past 2 years. HBAR, Shinhan joins GC, Shinhan exported stablecoins, XRP, sued by the SEC, winning the lawsuit in 2023. Quant in 2020, integrate with SIA Net, now in 2023, utilized by the BIS and the Bank of England, right? Things are advancing, things are happening. these technologies that people are sleeping on, are undervalued, are going to be used so much in our day-to-day lives, and people haven't noticed that yet, especially with a project like Quant. Tokenizer updated, DLTs compliant to ISO standards. Quant iOS TC 307 TC 68 liaison, right? This is crazy stuff. Look at this. Quant right here, compliant with DLT compliant, ISO TC 307, HBAR as well, XLM, XRP, right? Interesting stuff. That's massive stuff, Quant Army. That's so massive. Like, what? It's a project you cannot ignore, man. This is why, like I said, most of you guys told me about Quant, so hey, keep accumulating. Dollar cost average on anything below $100 Quant is a great buy. I'm telling you. Right now, Quant sitting at 85.12, $1 billion in market cap, $9.1 million in 24-hour trade volume. Anything below $190 for Quant, great buying opportunity, man. Going into the next bull cycle, 10 to 100x, you can't rule it out. Quant Army, thank you all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, tune into the live streams. I'll catch you in the next one.